job, baby. Look at you. Nope, nope, nope. No. Say, Miss Cassie, I can walk.
Miss Cassie, I can walk. Cassie, I can walk.
Say, I'm so strong.
I'm so strong.
I'm so smart.
I'm smart.
It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
No hopping, keep walking.
No hopping, keep walking.
Woo! No hopping. Oh no. No.
Walk normal. And then walk.
That's made of doy.
Good job, buddy.
It does not hurt at all now.
That.
Okay, we're gonna do 100 steps before we put this on. Keep going. Walk all the way over and you can get a strawberry.
Yes.
You wanna go a little faster or is that too fast?
I want to do faster.
You have to stand up straight. Walk faster.
I see you.
There you go. Isn't that better?
This, Mama. Faster.
Lift up your feet.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on. All the way. I know you're getting tired. 5.
Oh, that's awesome.
So good.
You're so big. Why are you so big?